You've got to see this. Did you guys see that? It's thunder. There's thunder. See? There's thunder out here. How the hell did this happen? See? Oh my. This is crazy. What could cause this? Is it raining outside? I don't feel anything. So it can't be raining outside. There it is again. Oh my gosh. What is going on? How could this happen? It feels like rain. Wait. Oh gosh. I saw that. Yep, it is raining now. It's raining and thundering. When I first saw this, I thought of the song Blown Away by Carrie Underwood. So I played that. Wow. How is this possible, guys? I'm sorry if it's so dark out here. It's literally 9:39 right now, and it's freaking thundering out here. Oh my gosh. It's literally thundering out here. It's literally thundering out here. How did this happen? Oh gosh. Whew. Yeah, see? There's a flashlight. See? Now you can actually see. I think I should probably leave that on. This is exactly. It's like in the song "Blown Away" the music video by Carrie Underwood. I'll leave a link to the music, the song in the description below. Where is that? Where is that? Oh, I see it again. Oh gosh. I should probably take a video of it. Or, whoa! What is going on? Why is it like this? Up here comes the thunder. Lightning! Lightning in the thunder. Okay, no. Oh, I was about to take a video. Here's something. Oh gosh. Do y'all believe this? I'm actually recording this. When it's happening right now. It's literally actually happening right now. It's so dark out here. It's freaking. Oh, here it is again. Huh? Oh. Why is it like this? Why? Oh. Oh gosh. Oh, dang it. It's too late. Oh. Dang it, it was. God, too late. Whoops. I think it's coming back. I think it's coming back. Oh. Uh-oh. God, too late again. I've been recording for 5 minutes now. Ooh. Gosh. Gosh, my arms hurt. How? How is this happening? This is legit. How is this legit? How is this legit? This is insane, guys. It's now 9:43 and it's still happening.